The latest spectacle that is cringe-worthy on the internet has arrived. The new song Dabidi Dibidi, played by Nandamuri Balkrishna and Urvashi Rautela from the action thriller Daku Maharaj is out. This indecent number is choreographed by Shekhar Master and composed by S. Thaman has provoked brutal trolling online. The music video opens with Balkrishna seated regally and Urvashi Rautela attired in a crop top and a skirt, beaming as Balkrishna playfully taps her belly button in rhythm and tugs at her dress. In the chorus, Balkrishna playfully hits Urvashi on her backside and she clearly revels in the moment. The internet reacted to the indecency present in the song instantly. Here are few of the trolls, some hilarious and few brutal target the stars on the screen, the choreographer and the music composer, all alike for this cringy number. Another song, Feelings, from Pushpa 2, The Rule, featuring Rashmika Mandanna and Allu Arjun has faced criticism for its choreography and perceived vulgarity. The dance moves, particularly scenes of Rashmika Mandanna being lifted by Allu Arjun, were called out for objectifying women. Rashmika admitted initial discomfort due to a phobia of being lifted but proceeded out of trust in the team. The controversy has reignited debates about the portrayal of women in Telugu cinema and the responsibilities of filmmakers. While the song has achieved commercial success, its backlash highlights growing concerns over the objectification of women in popular media. Tripti Dimri's dance in the song Mia Mehboob from Vicky Vidya Ka Wo Wala video has faced criticism for its choreography, with moves labeled cringe and inappropriate by social media users. Both Tripti Dimri and choreographer Ganesh Acharya have been criticized for the performance. In response, Dimri acknowledged the backlash but defended her choice to experiment, stating, "You can't be good at everything, but what's wrong with trying?" She also noted it was her first dance number and hadn't anticipated the negative reaction. The controversy has sparked debates about the portrayal of women in Bollywood dance sequences, though Dimri remains committed to exploring diverse roles and performances. The controversy surrounding Rashmika Mandanna's role in Animal also includes a discussion of certain scenes that some viewers felt reinforced problematic gender dynamics. One of the most criticized moments involved a portrayal where the male characters, particularly Ranbir Kapoor's, exert dominance over Mandanna's character. This dynamic has been interpreted by some as reflecting outdated and regressive ideas about male control over women. In particular, a scene featuring Mandanna's character performing a traditional ritual has drawn attention for its portrayal of a woman being controlled by patriarchal expectations. Tripti Dimri portrays Zoya Riaz, who becomes romantically involved with Ranbir Kapoor's character, Ranvijay. A particularly controversial scene features Ranvijay demanding Zoya to lick his shoe as a test of her love, a moment that has sparked significant discussion. Dimri addressed the controversy, stating, "I as Tripti won't go and lick someone's shoe. But for Zoya, maybe she felt like doing it because Zoya is not Tripti and she has her own reasons to do it." Tell us in the comments below what is the most controversial scene according to you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mobile Masala.